Ba talaga itong International Criminal Court?
Ang International Criminal Court, it is an permanent international tribunal. So, it is an international tribunal, meaning it is an international court. Created ng Rome Statute noong 1998. So, ibig sabihin, may Rome Statute. Yung Rome Statute, ito yung pinirmahan doon sa Roma ng buong mundo, ng mga buong mga bansa. Nagpirmahan sila doon ng tinatawag na Rome Statute. That's why, sa Rome Statute, nakalagay, may isang provision sa Rome Statute or yung agreement or treaty ng buong mundo, Rome Statute, nakalagay doon ang establishment or creation ng International Court, International Criminal Court. Ang purpose nito is to prosecute and to investigate individuals in the state, individuals linked to serious crimes that has international relevance. Ibig sabihin, ang International Criminal Court, hindi dito maging party ang bansa. Like Pilipinas, hindi. Yung Switzerland, hindi. Yung Japan, hindi. Hindi ang bansa ang maging party sa kaso. Kung hindi, individual. Individual. Individual involved in a serious crime that has international relevance. So ano yung mga serious crimes that has international relevance? Number one, yung tinatawag na genocide. Number two, yung crimes against humanity. Yung war crimes. Yung crime against aggression. So yung apat ang pinaka-common. So ano yung genocide? Yung genocide, it is a violence. Violence directed to certain individual because he is a member of a certain group. So, ibig sabihin, may isang grupo, isang tribes. Parang may violence na binumbahan sila lahat doon. Parang ganon. Violence to a certain group and because bakit may violence doon? Because they're member of a certain tribe. Yun tinatawag na genocide. Yung crimes against humanity, ito yung mga large-scale violence committed against civilians. Yung crimes against humanity. Yung war crimes, yung mga crimes na committed using prohibited weapons or intentionally killing prisoners of war. Pag pinatay mo, for example, aresto during the gera, may gera, may naresto kang kalaban, tapos pinatay nila intentionally, yan. That is already war crimes. And lastly, yung crimes against aggression, you're using armed forces ng ibang bansa na sakupin ang ibang bansa. You're using armed forces that will violate the sovereignty or the integrity of another country. Yun ang tinatawag na crimes against aggression. With respect to President Duterte, ang kaso niya na involved is crimes against humanity. So, yun yan. So, I don't know kung bakit naging crimes against humanity. Basta, yun ang kaso niya na pending ngayon sa ICC or the International Criminal Court.